Confidence is a powerful asset, but hair loss can chip away at your self-assurance. I'm Dr. Mazhar Hussain, a hair restoration surgeon with extensive experience. I'm offering a limited opportunity for those in Pakistan seeking a highest quality hair transplant. Don't settle for unnatural looking plugs. My advanced techniques prioritize natural, undetectable results. This isn't just about restoring hair. It's about restoring confidence. I use a minimally invasive hair transplant technique with natural results. Imagine feeling empowered, ready to tackle the world with renewed confidence. Invest in yourself, invest in a fuller head of hair. Limited appointments are available during my visit to Pakistan. Contact us today to set your appointment.